Hey, I'm Sebastian, Head of Construction at Chapter. Welcome to our latest project in Chelsea.
Hi, I'm Nicole, Chapter's Interior Design Lead, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the design of this project. When Chapter came onto this project, it was just two units joined together without any thought to the functionality or design of the space.
For this apartment, we upgraded all the electrical wiring, replaced plumbing lines back to building risers, and implementing a top waterproofing system that will increase durability on the finishes.
Once we relocated the kitchen, we had the opportunity to implement a beautiful and unique design. Dark cabinets paired with dark countertops is a sleek and modern combination. We kept the integrity of the unique existing door frames by mimicking them in the light fixtures, hardware, and the new floor material. To keep the apartment aesthetically consistent, we drew from elements in the kitchen and living room for the designs of the bathrooms.
A lot of attention to details and hours of coordination put to this project made possible the success of this unique renovation.
Start a new chapter with us.